Hello everyone, today I'm reviewing the no bun turkey slider from Fuel Your Body. So we got potatoes, turkey sliders, carrots, cilantro. This meal here has 373 calories, 34 grams of protein, 23 grams of carbohydrates, and 16 grams of fat. Ingredients are turkey, potato, vegetables, barbecue sauce, olive oil, seasoning. May contains nuts. It's gluten-free and dairy-free. I heat this up for a minute and a half and it smells delicious. We've got a little bit of sauce here. I'm gonna dig right in. Sub 400 calorie meal, amazing. Their turkey is always quite good. I'm gonna try it without the sauce and then with the sauce, see how it compares. I like the slider meals. There's a beef slider that they make, it's amazing. Tastes pretty good as far as turkey goes. I'm really impressed by that. Potato. Yeah, this tastes really good. I wanna try some of the barbecue sauce here. Oh yeah, it smells so good. Low calorie too. Amazing. All right. Oh yeah, that barbecue sauce is a winner. Let me dip the carrots in it. I want to give this meal one more bite and I'll give my final review. Amazing. This barbecue sauce is the best part about this. Yeah, turkey sliders are great on their own, but with the barbecue sauce, that puts it up there. That is really good. They pair perfectly together. I'm going to give that an 8 out of 10. Macronutrients are amazing on this, 373 calories. So good. 34 grams of protein for under 400 calories. That's amazing. And this is going to be filling because carrots and potatoes are usually quite filling. Really great. 8 out of 10. You can check Fuel Your Body out at www.eatfyb.ca as well as on Instagram at eatfyb. You can order one-time meals or a recurring meal plan off of the website. So yeah, go check them out. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.